So this program calculation is done, right? So total second is 36.1963878. Next, coming into the questions, write an assemble language program which is generate 15 millisecond,
Yes, sir.
15 second delay, which is generate 15 second delay, which is generate 15 second delay if crystal frequency 11.0592 megahertz. Okay, leave it. I given a small easy one. If crystal frequency 12 megahertz. If crystal frequency 12 megahertz. 15 second delay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Sir, actually, what are the maximum time delay for the program number 2? Means this program.
The middle one.
Huh? Yesterday I already done.
Yes, sir. Let me just go back. Sir, 11.150111 second. No, no, sir. Good बोलना मुझे.
হ্যাঁ বলো কি বলছো? What are the total time for the second program?
The second program এখানে 9292.3.
Given me in a second. Given me in a second.
Okay. Point.
I think below 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Below
Point.
1 second. Whatever
sir.
I telling, whatever I want to say you, that it's required 15 second. So for second program is not possible.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to everyone? I'm just telling you that, you know, for this
Yes,
program, maximum delay is below 1 second. So it's not possible.
Yes, sir.
We will
Yes,
go
sir.
for the third program. We will go for this program only. Okay.
Okay.
But instead of these FFH, we should be right hash X, means move R0 comma hash X. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then the
Yes,
program
sir.
is similar like that. Move R1 comma hash 0 FFH, move R2 comma hash 0 FFH. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Only instead of F, we are assuming this is X. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So what will be the total machine cycle calculation? Instead of This 255, it will be
X.
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 So instead of 255, it will be x.
Hmm.
So one equations will be created like 130818
Hmm.
x plus 1
Hmm.
into 12 by 12
Hmm.
is equal to 15
Hmm.
into 10 to the power 6. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instead of 255, we are assuming this is a x.
Hmm.
So the equations is create like that 130818, because up to these calculations there will not be any change, only changes over here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means only the last line, the value of R0 is x. I don't know what are the requirement where it will be 15 second. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. It's clear to everyone or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only the last one, the value of R0 should be x. That's why into x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
From these equations, you can easily calculate the value of x. Sir, why 15 into 10 to the power 6? Sir, from where this 12 is coming and from where this 12 is coming?
Sir, this upper 12, this is for the T states. Okay,
T-state,
because
very good.
per machine cycle there is 12 T state, and this is the crystal frequency.
This one is crystal frequency,
Yes, megahertz.
megahertz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So that's why there is the 10 to the power 6.
That's why this is a microsecond.
Yes.
But over here it's saying 15 second.
Hmm.
So 15 second also converting into the microsecond. Over here
Yes.
is a microsecond. Over here is a second. It's
Second.
not
Yes, sir.
possible at all. That's
Yes,
why I'm
sir.
converting into the 15 second to the 15 microsecond.
Okay, sir.
So just calculating 130818 x is equal to 15 into 10 to the power 6 minus 1. So x is equal to 15 into 10 to the power 6 minus 1 by 130818. Calculate what are the value.
Sir, 114.663.
114.663
663.
is near about 115
115.
because more than 5.
Yes, sir.
So 115, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Convert into the hexadecimal. How it will be convert? Like 115 divided by 16.
So 7.18.
Huh?
7.18.
7.7
18.
point. No.
Hey, hexadecimal ko thi re,
Convert. This
73.
is not a division.
Sir, 73.
73.
Yes.
So you should be write the program like instead of FF, you should be write 73H and
Okay.
same total program. So the
Okay.
program for 15 seconds like that. Then you write down the program. Is it clear?
Sir, I calculate
Yes,
kono
sir.
tai to you have it.
First calculate. First you should be write the program
Okay.
using X. Then calculate the time. You get the equations. You get the value of X, right? Then as you know, 115 is nothing but a 73 H. So instead of X, again you write down all the program using 73H. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now there is another program. Write an assembly language program which is generate 1 minute delay.
Sir, sorry, sir. আরেকবার বলবেন question একটু?
Write an assembly language program which is generate 1 minute delay. 1 minute delay if crystal frequency 11.0592 megahertz. If crystal frequency 11.0592 megahertz, 1 minute, not second.
Yes, sir.
This program will be applicable. What are the maximum
1 minute.
capacity of program number 3?
So 36 point something second.
So 1 minute possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Answer is no.
No.
So how it can be generated? You can use another loop.
Yes.
You can use another loop. This is the one procedure.
Yes.
You can use another loop, or you can do another things, that is move. Sir, your concept is clear. Why not possible for this program?
Yes, sir.
First you clear this concept, because in this program maximum capacity is
36 point something second.
36. So you cannot do more than 36. Right? So how it will be 1 minute? So like move R0 comma has FFH. Instead of FF, you are mentioning X. Sorry, it should be X. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second program, whatever I have, I'm just copy. Move R1 comma has 0 FFH. Why 0?
Because A to F যে কোনো ক্যারেক্টার ইউজ করার আগে 0 ইউজ করতে, যদি নাম্বার হিসেবে ইউজ করি তো।
Very good. as this is a number, if any number is starting with a B, C, D, E, F, then we are connecting a 0 before that to indicate this is a number, not a character.
Hmm.
Right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
This is here one, or sorry, here one. This is here 2. Okay. Next coming here. Okay. In here, we are mentioning first 4 NOP. Okay. Next, the
Yes,
rest
sir.
program is same. DJNZ R2. Follow? R2 comma here.
Here, should be here.
DJNZ R1 comma
Here one.
here 1.
Hmm.
DJNZ R0 comma here 2. Okay.
Hmm.
Now question is how it will be calculated.
Hmm.
First, you go for this loop only. What are the requirement? Every NOP is required 1 machine cycle.
Hmm.
So for one time it is required 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus
This is
2.
2 machine
Because
cycle.
DJNZ 2, so 1 plus 1 plus 1
Yes.
plus 1 plus 2. So total is 4 plus 2, it's 6.
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
Yes,
So
sir.
you write down like that. One time here loop is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 6 machine cycle. For one time here loop, it's required number of machine cycle required 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Hmm.
So for this total loop, what are the value of R2?
0 SSH.
Means 255.
55.
So total required
Yes,
is
sir.
6 into 255.
55. Hmm.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 6 into 255, how much? Calculate it.
Yes, sir.
So 1530.
1530.
30.
30.
Next, if I'm talking about this loop, for one time, how much requirement?
For one time.
Plus
So
one.
it's 5130 plus
1 plus
1 plus
1530 plus
30
2.
plus 2.
Plus 2.
It will
Sir,
be
what are the value of R1?
255.
1533. Okay.
Again,
255.
255. So into 255. So 1533 into 255 is equal to how much?
39
39
09
09
15.
15. Okay. Next,
sir.
coming into the last
Last.
loop.
Hmm.
What are the capacity for one time? 1
1
plus
plus
390915
5 plus
plus
2.
2. Very good.
2.
Into what are the total value of R0?
ওটা x নেওয়া হয়েছিল x
X. So is nothing but a 390918 X.
x
Okay.
হুম
What are the previous case? Just see, this is a 130, this is a 390. So it's
Hmm.
higher, na?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
So according to questions, 390,918 X into 12 by 11.0592 is equal to how much?
equals
Equal to 1 into 10 to the power 6?
60 seconds
Yes.
60 into 10 to the power
10
6
to the power 6.
6
Not 1 into 10 to the power 6 because it's a
Okay.
second, it's a minute. So it should be converted into the 60.
yes sir
Then calculate the value of X
okay
from this.
Okay.
Sorry.
plus no
Plus
minus
1.
plus
Plus
1
1 is there. Plus 1 because for the first line.
Hmm, hmm.
Because for the first line, one machine cycle is required. That's why plus 1. Calculate the value.
sir
Bolo.
141.45165
Not required.
okay
Is equal to 141 only. Because below 5.
obviously
Next, what are the value in hexadecimal?
okay 8B sir
Hello.
8D
8
D
D na E.
D.
E for elephant.
না স্যার এখানে D for donkey
8D.
হ্যাঁ স্যার
Okay. So then write the
141.
total program instead of X. You write down
8D
8D.
D
So you get some concept. You get some concept how your program will be longer. If you required, this is a 1 minute. So how it will be 1 hour?
sir add more NOP
Add more NOP.
now sir here is my I have a question
Yeah.
how much NOP
You can give a maximum number 1,000, 2,000,
না না
5,000.
আমি বুঝবো কি করে যে এতটাই এনাফ তাহলে তো আমাকে
Exactly. Sir, how I can understood?
হ্যাঁ
There are two factors mainly. Number 1, what are the maximum second for this program? Means program number 3.
36
36. Very good. So 36 second, right? What are the hour requirement now?
1 hour
1
Hours.
no previous program.
আচ্ছা 1
I'll
minute
just give an example.
1 minute.
1 minute. So near about twice. Near about twice.
আচ্ছা
Okay.
Hmm.
So next step is, so 36 second. If the maximum output will be you gain whenever your NOP will be in the first loop, means in the here loop. In the here loop, in the first time, whenever we are calculating in the previous program, means in the third program, this loop is required only 2 machine cycle. If NOP is not there, then seek will be replaced by 2.
Yes.
Yes.
It should be twice minimum. Is it clear or not?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Not clear. I'm repeat once
No,
again.
sir.
If NOP is not there, then what will be the requirement? Output of here DJNZ R2 here.
6.
Means assuming in this program. What are the requirement of machine cycle for this line only? Tell me.
2 machine cycle.
For this line only. For one time it's required 2. For total here loop, it's required value of R2. What are the value of R2?
Yes.
Double FA.
255.
255.
Yes, sir.
So 255 into
2.
255 into 2.
Yes. 510.
Huh?
510.
255 into 2, that is the 510.
Yep.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So it's a
Yes, sir.
510. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 510 is the total machine cycle for here loop. Now what are the total machine cycle for this loop?
1530.
How much? If I'm compare with a near about 3 times.
3 times.
So how I have increased 3 times? So time also increased 3 times. 36 into 3 means near about, more than 100. 118 second will be the maximum for this program. Sir, how I am calculating? This is the 3 times with respect to the previous one. Previous one is a 510. Now it's a 1530. That's one near about 3 times. So 36 will be replaced by near about 118 second. It's clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Not clear. So you ask me. Or not say always yes.
এটা যখন 1 hour হবে তাহলে 1 hour এর সেকেন্ড এর সাথে গুণ করব।
Sir, আগে 1 hour টা পরে হচ্ছে আগে this calculation you should be understand. You required previously we have 13.6 second maximum capacity. We required 1 minute.
1
We
minute.
required twice of this program. Am I right? Near about twice. So
Yes, sir.
for safe hand, I'm doing thrice, means 3 times of the previous program. How we create? This is for 2. I am given another 4 machine cycle. Okay, so 4 plus 2 it is a 6.
Yes, sir.
So you required 1 hour. Okay,
Yes, sir.
means 3600 second, right? So how much times?
X60.
What? 100 times.
Oh, sorry, 100.
It's a very easy.
Sorry.
36 and this is a 3600. 100
Sorry,
times.
sorry.
And whatever the clock frequency is nearly same. is nearly same. 12 and 11.0592. It's a not so much of difference. It's a not so much of difference. Previously 36 second is calculating using 12 megahertz. We are using the 11.06. Means near about it will be not 36, it will be maybe 38 or something like that. So it is a negligible. Negligible. So 36 you need 100 times. Means you need more than 200 NOP.
Yes.
More than 200. 100 times means this is for 2 machine cycle. So you required another 100 into 2 machine cycle. 100 into 2 machine cycle means 100 into 2 machine cycle means if I'm calculating with the NOP, because 1 NOP is required 1 machine cycle, so 100 times means 100 into 2, so 200 NOP is required.
Okay, sir.
You should be given more than 10% or 15% more. Means you could given 210. This is the one procedure, or another procedure you can do another loop, that is R0, R1, R2, another is R3.
Okay.
It's clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
This is the whole procedure. Just see delay calculation for this program. For this machine cycle, how many machine cycle is required for these instructions? 1. For these, how many machine cycle is required?
2.
2. For RETU also required 1. So 2 is required 200 times. So 200 into 2, that is 400 plus 1 for this line plus RET for 1 and into 1.085 because it's a working with a 11.0592 megahertz. It's a working in a 11.0592 megahertz. As 11.0592 megahertz, so into 1.085 total delay. So what are the requirement of this program? What is this program? If you go through this program, you are go through this program, then just see what are the value of move. First we are taking a value into the accumulator. It is a 55H. What is a 55H means? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Am I right? 55H means?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, move P1, A, because P1 connected with 8 LEDs. P1 connected with 8 LEDs. You can connect directly also. You can connect directly also, given the last one LED. This is a P1.7. This is P1.0. Okay. All are LED connected. How many LED is there? Huh? How many LED is there?
8 LED.
8 LED is there. 8 LED is there, right? So you given 55H means 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 means one after another LED will be glow.
Yes, sir.
One after another LED will be glow, right?
Yes, sir.
One
Yes,
after
sir.
another LED will be glow. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, just see A call delay. What are the functions of A call delay? Means jump from this line to that line.
That line.
Means jump from this line to that line means it will be coming from this line to coming over here. Sorry. Delay is also written over here. So it will be coming from this line to that line only. Okay. These are
Yes, sir.
solutions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then means delay program means wait some time. CPLA. What are the function of CPLA? Complement accumulator. What are the complement? Means 1 will be replaced by 0 and 0 will be replaced by 1.
1.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So 1 will be replaced by 0 and 0 will be replaced by 1.
1.
So it's a nothing but a toggle. Means now it's a 1, it's a 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So if I'm compared with the previous, which LED previously off, now those LED will be on. Previously, which LED will be on? This one, this one, this one, this one. Now it is off, it is off, it is off, it is off. Now is glowing this, and that. Right?
Yes, sir.
So LED one
Yes,
after
sir.
another, which is off, now it's on. Okay. Again, going into the S jump again means this A will be, means this data will be transferred into the port 1, means LED will be toggle. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Means sometime 4 LED will be on, sometime another 4 LED will be on. So, you know, in a Durga Puja or something like that, you can see this kind of combinations of light. Or you know, Kali Puja, you are connected a light in your top floor like that. Now, question is why delay program is required? Sir, I can give one after another. Then what are the requirement of delay program?
So there are practical requirements are many, na?
No,
First is
practical
for-
requirement for this program I'm just telling about.
Oh, acha.
Sir, what are the speed of microcontroller?
So microsecond.
Microsecond. You
Operating
cannot
in
see in a microsecond.
Yes.
Whenever you see, if you are not given the delay program, you see all the LEDs glowing.
It will be so fast.
No, it is so fast you cannot see. You see all the LED will be glow.
Okay.
যখন একটা ফ্যান চলে তুমি কি দেখতে পাও যে ফ্যানের পাখাটা ছোট মানে মাঝখানে ফাঁকা আছে?
না।
কেন দেখতে পাও না? এত ফাস্ট চলে ওই গ্যাপগুলোই তুমি দেখতে পাও না।
হ্যাঁ।
Similar like তুমি যদি মাঝে ডিলে না দাও, you cannot see, you cannot judge by the human eyes. যত ডিলে দেবে একটা জ্বলার পর ততক্ষণ পরে আরেকটা জ্বলবে। Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Going into the next. Next, this is another program. So what are the function of this program? Here just 2 NOP. So what will be the calculation? This is 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is 4. 4 into 250. Just see the calculation. 4 into 250. So here all the second is calculating, then it will be added. So the calculation, whatever you do, it is a fine. So this is 1 plus 1 plus 2, this is a 4. So this time, again for 1 plus 2, again for this time, right? So in this way you can calculate. So what will be the time for this delay program? Can you say? 4 into 250 plus 1 plus 2, right? Into 200 plus 1 plus 1. Why last 2 plus 1?
Why last
2 plus 1.
2 plus 1
Hmm.
বলছি স্যার একটা হচ্ছে এই সাইকেল
No,
আরইটির
one.
জন্য একটা আর মুভ আর 2 এর জন্য একটা মানে
Move
ফার্স্ট লাইনের
R2
জন্য
has
একটা
200 for 1 and RET for 1.
আরইটির জন্য একটা
So it is a 1000 plus 3. That is a 1003 into 200 plus 2 is equal to whatever you calculation you do it into 1.085. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Next, this is another program. So this is called subroutine. Tomorrow I will be explaining the subroutine program. Okay.
Okay, sir.
okay sir
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.